I make a living as a builder and contractor. I started to enjoy the different colors of wood and matching them together and coming up with scraps of wood that was being thrown out to do different projects. I realized how much I enjoyed doing the woodwork after I did the first project. The way it turned out just threw me into thinking different shapes, different sizes, different things, and just enjoying what I did with the woodwork. What I love about doing these boxes is being able to give it to someone and see their reaction. It's priceless to me.